All right, so it's golden hour. I got like very little time, but Hero 7 Black, HyperSmooth, or whatever they call it, 5552 Gemfan props on the 5S with a brand new huge 2275C test pack sample from a manufacturer. So we're gonna give it a run. First time. Here we go. You ready?
Running up a hill you can't see over, all the gravel standing at your feet. Miss the way you see me when you're sober, wish you saw the middle where we meet. Cause we don't need words to say what we say. And I hope that you'll be okay one day. I need to know you're here. I'll give it all I got as long as you are here. The fight will never stop. When you need that fire, I'm your messiah. 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 I'm your messiah. When you need that fire, 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 I'm your messiah.
Raise you from the bedroom to the shower. Love ain't really love if it's not rough. She loves it when I'm playing with her power. Screaming she can never get enough. So pray for me, I'm faithfully yours, and it's breaking me. These make-believe wars, she's taking me, she's making me mine. And I'm a fool for thinking that she's mine, cause I'm hers and that's all of it. Whatever we're calling it tonight. Every time you hurt me, I already forgot. No matter what I'll do for you,
The fight will never stop. When you need that fire, I'm your messiah. When you need that fire, I'm your messiah. When you need that fire, I'm your messiah. When you need that fire, I'm your messiah.
Oh my diggity. I don't know what it's gonna look like on the video, but motors are not, I mean, they're warm, but for being a pretty long flight and being on a 5.5-inch prop on 5S on these 2150 kVT motors, they are not hot at all, considering. In fact, I should have definitely probably checked those before. I touched down over there playing around. Battery had just started saying low battery under medium to heavy throttle, so I just brought it back, did a little rip around, landed it. But yeah, wow. I'm gonna have to see what it looks like on the video. Yes, I did the, you know, HyperSmooth or whatever because I want to see it, but the tune felt locked in. I'm just interested to see what it's gonna look like. These 55-52 Gemfans, oh my lord, they are really nice. They're thin and light, and I feel like this setup just might be my new favorite. Again, that battery, I don't know if I told you, it came down kind of warm. It's not too hot. On the long range Rebel packs, it would have been smoking hot, I know. So really interesting stuff. Gonna have to fly it some more. Super stoked about these packs, 5S packs, butter frame, Hero 7 black. Let's keep it rolling. Peace.